Good morning and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Jake Fulmer.
And I'm Elijah Rosas. William James was an American philosopher, historian, and and the first, what'd you say? Psychologist. And the first educator to offer a psychology course in the United States. He pointed out that most people never run far enough on their first win to find out they got a second.
The father of American psychology. Did you know that he was the first educator to offer a psychology course in the United States?
I didn't know that, Jacob.
Well, enough talk. Well, anyways, drama club meets every Tuesday at lunch in room 223. I meant to say 223. Don't go to 233. Go to 223. We need to elect some new club officers, as always.
Hey, are you interested in making some extra cash? The Food Services Department is looking for qualified students to work break and lunch periods, running a cash register, and providing excellent customer service. The right people will be dependable, responsible, and friendly. If interested, please contact the cafeteria for an application. We look forward from hearing from you.
That's the nice info. Now, if you are interested in joining Circle of Friends, please stop by room 270. You can scan the posted QR code and fill out a form to receive a digital application, as well as ask questions. We will be having a big group meeting today, Monday, August 30th, at lunch in the auditorium.
Club Ed will have its first meeting August 31st, Tuesday, in room 476. Dr. Foster's classroom at lunch to nominate officers during tutoring.
And of course, with comedy, sports, improvisation workshops every Tuesday and Thursday after school outside of room 223, everyone is welcome!
And this week in sports, Tuesday pits field hockey at Cupertino and tennis at Gonzales. Wednesday's boys golf takes on Carmel at the Quail Lodge Golf Club. Thursday, Hollister tennis hosts Gonzalez's water polo, brings it to Harbor. Field hockey plays at Monte Vista, while volleyball plays at home against Branham. In football, the Balers play at Andy Hardin Stadium this week. Freshmen on Thursday at 6, JV Friday at 5, and varsity Friday at 7:30.
Well, that's all for now. As always, have an awesome day, and go Balers!
Okay, we gotta do that, that's for sure.